Voice AI, AI calling agents, AI voice agents, whatever you call them. They are extremely popular right now, and rightly so. With the current state of advancements in AI voice capabilities, I don't see why any business that handles customer support, call centers, or front desk agents won't use AI. In the past 3 months alone, we have received a lot of queries for businesses who want to implement AI calling agents that can handle the influx of inbound and outbound calls. And while it's great, I do have an opinion of when it's right to implement these AI agents and when it's not a very good choice. But before we get into that, to make sure we are all on the same page, inbound calls are the ones that businesses receive from the customers. So let's say an inquiry about the venue or appointment scheduling at the hairdresser or just for the information. On the other hand, outbound calls are the ones that businesses make to potential customers. And these can be cold calls or feedback calls after someone receives a service from a business. Now, I think, in my opinion, we shouldn't try forcing AI in every place just because we technically can. The purpose of technology is to make our lives easy, not miserable. And that's why I think AI outbound calling agents are not really a great idea. They feel a bit too intrusive and it doesn't even feel personalized. It makes the other person feel less important. You are making a cold call to sell your service or sell your product, and you are not even trying hard by putting in the effort yourself personally. When the other person figures this out, that it's an AI that called his personal number, they are just going to hang up and they will have a bad reputation of your brand in their mind. Because imagine it for yourself, how inclined would you be when you are going to receive a call from an AI selling you some product? Aren't you going to just hang up the call? You are probably. Now, on the other hand, if it's an inbound call, which means someone called your business to book an appointment or to ask for some information about your business. In this case, the customer won't even care if it's an AI talking to them. In this scenario, instead of them pressing 1 to book an appointment, pressing 2 to check the available options, and 0 to talk to an agent, the AI can simply ask, how can I help? The customer can explain why they called, and the AI can do just that. Using tools like Vapi or Retail or any of the existing AI voice platforms, you can hook your calendar directly with your AI voice agents, and the AI will take the responsibility of finding the available slots in your calendar and then making the appointment for that particular customer in your calendar based on the preference of your customer, whatever they are talking to on the call. No need to have someone manually open your calendar or your CRM to make a booking over there. AI can do all of it 100% accurately every single time. And in this exact case, the customer won't even care if it's an AI they are talking to, because I don't know about you guys, but I have certainly started hating those calls where I am pressing 1, then I'm pressing 3, then I'm pressing 1 again, and then my request is still not fulfilled. This new experience, this AI enabled experience for the customers is going to be so easy that they are actually going to love your business. So in this case, AI actually helps solve a problem for your customers. And again, if they want to talk to an actual person, if they want to talk to a human agent, they can just tell that to the AI agent, and the AI agent can transfer that call to a human agent. So you will definitely need to have someone who can handle that small influx of calls which are being transferred by the AI, but it's not going to be as much as before. So to wrap it all up, I think AI inbound is way better than AI outbound. But again, it really depends on your use case and how you do it. If your implementation serves your purpose, then feel free to do it. All the best. My name is Hashir Baig. I'm a software engineer turned founder. We build AI products for businesses and entrepreneurs who need help with it. If you're thinking of building your own AI products or have some crazy AI idea and not sure how to build it, or if you're looking for someone who can help you build that idea, then reach out to me on LinkedIn. I'll be happy to help out. Thank you.